Hello and welcome to Leads Better. My name is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create high converting lead magnets using AI technology and a lead creation app. Now I'm going to start here on the first page that you will see when you log in, and we're going to start right here where it says create a lead magnet. So we'll click on this green button and we're going to get a page that's going to open. It's going to ask you to name your lead magnet. So I am going to name this Marketing Agency 2025, and then I'm gonna come down to category and click inside. Now, when you first start, of course, you're not going to have any categories. If you want to enter one, you can simply click inside there and start typing. And underneath where you see it says create in the name I've started typing, I'm going to click on that to make sure it populates that field. Then I'm going to click off of it to make sure that that field is saved in there. Then I can go down and select a template. Now for this video, I'm going to actually remove that. I'm going to click this X and take it out of there. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you don't have to have a category in order to use a template to create a lead magnet. You can always manage your categories after you've created your lead magnet. So now I'm gonna come down to templates and click on the drop down menu. And here are a list of all of the available templates that I can use to create a lead magnet with. Now, if you select with a blank lead magnet, your template is going to be blank and you will be starting from scratch. If you are going to use the blog post, the ebook, or blog post summarizer, you're going to need a URL to copy and paste inside of the app in order for it to pull the information from that blog in order to use that content to create your lead magnet. All of the other lead magnets are going to have a prompt field, and underneath that prompt field you're going to see a blue link that says click here for tutorial. So whenever you go to a template, click on the tutorial link. It's going to open a tutorial video and it's going to give you an example and show you how to use the prompt feature for that particular template. Then you can go back to the actual editor app and put in the prompt that you want to use. So I'm going to use the 5-point listicle, and I'm going to paste this particular prompt in. How can I use AI to improve my marketing agency in 2025? And I'm going to click create. Now the screen has changed because while it is pulling the content to put together for the lead magnet, your menu at the top has changed because now you only have 3 buttons on the right: publish, unpublish, and view. And on the left, you have content editor, email capture, integrations, social slide, expiring URL, scarcity maker, and settings. So we're going to start here at the content editor. Your lead magnet is now populated with the content, transforming your marketing agency with AI in 2025. You can edit, you can change, you can add videos, you can add images inside here if you would like to. Make sure you read through here and make sure that you are satisfied with the content that AI has provided for you. As you can also see, I selected 5-point listicle and it has given me exactly 5 points, each with a different subject or topic. So that is very, very effective. Now you want to come over to email capture because now we are going to begin to edit this form that you see here on the right. Now step 1 is a template. You want to choose your template. This first one is the standard template. As you can see, basic, name, email. There is a checkbox here for the privacy policy and the call to action button. You can change that style to an ebook style. When you select ebook style, it's going to give you a section here where you could click and add an image, an ebook image preferably. If you are offering an ebook for the lead magnet, you can also select a blurred button. If you select a blurred button, it shows you how when your mouse comes across the button, it clears the text that is written on that button and shows you what the form looks like. It's back to a standard form if you select the blurred button. And if you select the video, once again, just like with the ebook, it gives you a field where you can click to select to upload a video, and now your video will be seen here and shown here next to the form for capturing the email. Now I'm going to go back up to the standard, click there. We're going to use the standard form. I'll close that menu. I'll come over to form fields and select that. Here over at form fields, the top heading, I'm going to change that to my new agency 2025. I'm going to change the name under for the to first name. I'm going to leave email the same. Once again, here we have a privacy policy, and here you want to copy and paste in your link that goes to a privacy policy that's for your business, your page, your blog, whatever your business is. You should put in your own privacy policy. If you do not have one yet, here I'll highlight where you can see it says if left empty, lead creator will use the default or link to a generic policy. So you'll have something that'll cover you, but it's always best to have your own privacy policy there. Then the button label, you want to keep reading, that is there. Once you have changed that or edited that, you can also select double opt-in, at which point the double opt-in, the message they will see after they opt in is check your email, and it'll remind them to check their spam. After you've made those changes in the form fields, then you want to come down to styles, and styles is very simple. This is for the position of your header, your headline, left, center, or right. The color palette for your button, you can change the color of your button, and the same thing for the text. You can change the color of the text, and then you can close that drop down. And for the trigger, now the trigger is, the first one is a blur timer. So if you select that and click on the drop down, it shows you that in 10 seconds, the page is going to blur and your form is going to pop up where they'll have to enter in their name and email and agree to the privacy policy in order to continue reading. And you can set this for as long or as short as you want it to be. If you decide to go with the half page blur and you select that, what will happen is they'll be able to read halfway down the page. Then the page will blur, your form will pop up. They'll have to once again enter their information and agree to the privacy policy to continue reading. Or you can select on mouse scroll, click on the drop down and select, do you want 25, 50, or 75% of the page to be seen before they will have to pop up, your form will pop up and they'll have to enter in their information. I'm going to stick with the blur timer. I'm going to leave it at 10 seconds. I am going to close. I'm going to click Save Changes. Now you need to integrate your form with your platform or your autoresponder. You come over to integrations and click there. And this list shows you all of the current platforms that are active to be used with your Lead Creator app. And we've also added integration through Zapier, Pabbly, Make, and with webhooks. And if you see right here at the top, there's a tutorial you can click and it will walk you through and show you how to integrate any of those integrations available through Zapier, Pabbly, Make, and webhooks, as well as the ones that are already active. If you see your particular platform or autoresponder here, you can come over to the right and select it. So if you have Get Response, you can select it. Click the drop down and you'll see a link here that says, please visit the settings page to add the integration key. Each one of these is going to give you the same option. So when you click here, it opens up the same list in a sub menu, and this is where you'll come, click on the drop down and enter in the information that's required from the platform to connect to your Lead Creator app. So for Get Response, it'll be copy and paste in your API key and click Save. Aweber, ActiveCampaign, System, which is the platform I'm using, I've already copied and pasted my API key and saved it. So now anytime that I add a lead magnet into Lead Creator, it connects to my system and it simply is added to the list and the tag that's associated with that list. Same thing for MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKit, SendLane, and Entreport. Those are the ones that are active and available. And if you come to back here and scroll down, you see that there are more platforms and autoresponders scheduled to be added coming up for the rest of this month and next month. So once you've completed the content, added your edited your email capture, added your integration, you simply want to come back to the content editor. Then you can come here, click publish, and click view. And now you have a lead magnet that is ready for you to start using to gather leads in your videos, your blogs, social media, your emails. And there you see, after 10 seconds, the form pops up, name, email, agree to the privacy policy, click I want to keep reading. They'll be added to your list and they'll be able to continue reading this lead magnet that was created for you by Lead Creator. So let's go back. And I'm going to come back here to create a lead magnet back to the beginning page. So that is how quickly and easily you can start creating unlimited lead magnets using the Lead Creator app. Now, when you first log in and come to this page, before you start creating your lead magnets, I want you to come up here to the top menu and click on Quick Start. And this is going to open up into a training video that's going to show you how to use this app so you can start creating lead magnets just as quickly and easily as you saw me do it. Make sure you watch this video first and then go back and start creating your videos, creating your lead magnets using the app. And also remember, there are training videos for each template that you select. Make sure you watch those. It's going to really help you get really good, really fast at using this app. So I hope this is helpful. I hope that you are looking forward to using this tool. I have seen nothing like it. I have never seen anything this simple and easy to use before that you can use to start building your business immediately once you get it. There's not a long learning curve, and it doesn't take long to really master how to use this. So click the link below, get your copy of Lead Creator, and start building lead magnets for your business today. Once again, this is Kevin. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and I'll talk to you again soon.